All right, it's lunchtime. Having some cauliflower mash on some keto bread. Trying to eat healthy. Let me give it a taste. Now that's good. It's real good. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of overexposed, but that's damn delicious. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Feast with Pete, and today we are doing crawfish cauliflower mash. So you're definitely going to need some crawfish for this. If you have some crawfish heads, you can put that in the heavy cream to flavor it up a little bit. But before that, man, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the like on this video. So this recipe was inspired by my little sis, Marissa. No, she's not my real sister, but, she's like a sister to me. But she makes a lot of these mashes, and, she went on this keto diet. Her and her boyfriend, my brother-in-law, they lost a lot of weight, so we trying to do something like this, trying to be healthy, can't be feasting all the time. So basically what you want to do is you want to boil that for a little bit, get the flavor out, and if you can find crawfish, that's great. If not, you can do this with shrimp heads as well. And shrimp heads is more accessible than crawfish, for people outside of New Orleans. So add a little bit of crab boil. You can get this anywhere. A little bit of Creole seasoning. Got to get that New Orleans flavors going. A little bit of Cajun seasoning. They both taste a little different, so I add a little bit of both. Now, if you have a Creole seasoning or Cajun seasoning that kind of tastes the same, just add one. And then I add Annie's white shell cheddar, just the cheese mix, y'all. I didn't add the noodles. I gave away the noodles to somebody who eats carbs. I'm trying to refrain from carbs now, so I just add the cheese mix because it'll give it a nice white cheddar flavor. You don't really have to add this, but this gives another depth of flavor to this dish. So make sure you just mix that all up. You don't want any lumps in your cheese mix. And then I forgot to add the butter, so I was like, you know what, let me add the butter now, because the butter will give extra flavor to this cheese mix. So add butter. I add a little bit of Monterey Jack Cheese. If you have pepper jack cheese, by all means add pepper jack cheese. If you have spicier cheeses than that, you can add that as well. But I live with some tenderoni, so I gotta add Monterey Jack Cheese. Add a little bit of regular cheddar and some British coastal cheddar. Now that tastes kind of like a little bit of truffle cheese, but it's got a really nice flavor to it. So I added that. You can get that at Costco. I'll definitely link everything up so y'all don't get lost in the ingredients. So all you want to do is just in medium heat, you just want to make sure you finish up that cheese mixture, man. And if you want to throw in a little bit more cheddar to make it yellow looking, you can do that as well. And here I'm boiling the water. Add some crab boil, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, and then a little bit of Creole seasoning. And there's two seasonings that I didn't show here. Is basically onion powder and some garlic powder. Boil that up, and then you're gonna add the cauliflower. Now I got these cauliflower at Costco. I put 2 of those bags and then kind of boil them up. If you want to do like macaroni and cheese type of cauliflower, just don't boil it too long, okay? If you want this mash, boil it till it becomes really soft, and then put that in your cheese mixture, and then you want to just give it a nice whirl, okay? Mix it all up. When you mix it up, it's gonna get smashed. It's kind of like cheesy mashed potatoes, but you're doing it with cauliflower, which has way less carbs than mashed potatoes. So the next part is to put it in a glass dish like this, and then put some cheese and then bake it. Right now, this already has seafood flavors in it. Now we got to put actual seafood with the cheddar. So add some cheddar cheese, some crawfish and crab meat. I didn't have a whole lot, so that's why I did that. If not, I'm gonna put in the mixture as well, but this is gonna shine through, y'all. So you want to do that, and then add a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese or pepper jack cheese, whatever you got. And then what you want to do is you want to broil this for like 5 to 10 minutes. It might take you a little bit more depending on how hot your oven is. So just watch it, okay? Just when I was broiling it, that's how it was looking, and I was like, you know what, let me throw in a little bit of green onions in there to make it look even better. And then look at that, y'all. Look at how beautiful that looks. That's my sister-in-law Marissa cutting it up, and she gonna let you know how she likes this. Mind you, she makes a lot of these all the time whenever they're on that keto or low carb diet, so you know, she knows how they're supposed to taste. So she's the perfect person to taste test this also. All right, it's my sister-in-law Marissa.
Not Vanessa.
Not Vanessa.
I said my name with the knife.
That's an inside joke, y'all. But she's gonna try it.
I'm excited. All right, here we go. Cheers. Wow, that's super good. Flavor, you won't even miss the pasta. It's really good. Bomb. Try it.
So eat healthy, everybody. Now, if you like that video, hit the like button. Helps out my YouTube channel. And subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to feast with Pete.